Alright, so this is part 2 of our video. We're just continuing on the next page of our videos with part E of our example. And we want to transform ABCD by reflecting it across the y-axis. So if you recall from when we did transformations, if we're reflecting it over the y-axis, what's actually going to be happening is that all the x values are going to change to the opposite because they're flipping over the y-axis. So our ordered pair rule is going to be negative x comma y. And I've written my original points here so that I can write my new points down here. I'm just going to take all the x's and make them the opposite. So for A prime I'm going to have 0, 0. For B prime I'm going to have negative 3, negative 3. For C I'm going to have negative 6, 0. And for D I'm going to have negative 3, 3. Alright, so what you want to do now is go ahead and pause the video and graph these 4 points on the original graph. And then when you come back you can compare yours to mine, so pause the video now. Alright, so hopefully your graph that's reflected over the y-axis looks something like this. If for some reason it doesn't, make sure you get some help. Alright, and then let's move back to the next part of this example. We want to perform the following transformation. We're going to take all x, y values and switch the x's and the y's. So again, if you recall from our transformation unit, this is a reflection over the line y equals x. So again, I've got my list of original points up here, so I'm just going to flip-flop all of those. So 0, 0 is going to remain 0, 0. And then our next point here is going to be negative 3, comma 3. And then this is going to be 0, 6. And then we'll have 3, comma 3. That will stay the same. Alright, so again, go ahead and pause the video and graph these and see what it looks like. If you have a different color, maybe you want to use that, and then when you come back you can compare. So pause now. Alright, so you can see my figure reflected over y equals x is the blue one, and here's my line that's y equals x. It goes right down that 45 degree, and the red square has just been flipped over that and ends right there. So again, for some reason, if you didn't get that, go back and see if you can find what you did wrong. Or get some extra help. Alright, and then moving on to the last part. Part G, what are the coordinates of E, the intersection of the diagonals AC and DB? Well, in a square, the diagonals bisect each other. So what that means is that the coordinates of the intersection will be the midpoint. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the midpoint. Remember, our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And it really doesn't matter which two points, which two opposite points or endpoints of the diagonals we use. So we're going to have 0 plus 6 divided by 2 and 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Again, if you decide to use the other points, you should get the same answer, which is 3, comma 0. Alright, so that's it for this video. Again, feel free to rewind and go through parts you may have had trouble with. And make sure you get help if you need it, and we'll see you next time.